Good morning, children. Yes, in the last class I have explained you board mass, but you did not follow it because the board was not clear. You did not follow it. Today again I am explaining you board mass. See, here B means brackets, O means off, D means division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Yes. Now here we don't have brackets. See the D1 I am explaining you first. Here we don't have brackets. We have off. Off means multiplication. Okay. 1/6 off అంటే ఏమేయాలి into sign of 3 5s are 15. Here you see children how to change, multiply 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 5, 16 by 5 divided by 8 by 15. Okay, we removed off. Now off के बाद क्या है d, division भी remove करना. 1/6 into 16 by 5, यहाँ पर डिवीजन निकाल के इंटू डाल के क्या लिखना, ये रिवर्स. यू हैव टू राइट द नेक्स्ट फ्रैक्शन टू इट रिवर्स. 8/15 है ना, तो 15/8. नाउ whenever you have multiplication signs you can cancel them. Okay, whenever you have multiplication signs you can cancel them. See, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. अब क्या बच गए, 1 into 1 into 1, 1 1 1. 1 is the answer. Yes, followed. See, one more I am explaining you. I am explaining you C1 children. C1 we have everything. We have brackets, we have off, we have division, multiplication, subtraction. Yes, in the first step what should you do? You have to remove brackets. ब्रैकेट्स बोले तो क्या है, ब्रैकेट्स में ये दोनों है, ये दोनों को क्या है, व्हाट शुड यू डू, ऐड. व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू ऐड यू हैव टू हैव सेम डिनोमिनेटर्स. डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के लिए क्या करना, व्हाट शुड यू डू, यू हैव टू टेक एलसीएम. टेक एलसीएम ऑफ 5, 9. ओके, एलसीएम ऑफ 5 and 9. 5 1s are 5, 5 टेबल में 9 नहीं आता, 9 आगे 1 1. LCM is equal to 5 into 9, that is equal to 45. Now 2/5 into 9 plus 5/9 into 5 of 9/10 divided by 5/6 into 5/4 minus 1/5. Okay, 9 2s are 18 plus 25 by 45. Off means into. Just now I said no, off means into. Into 9/10 divided by 5/6 into 5/4 minus 1/5 children. Now 18 plus 25, 43 by 45 into 9/10. अब डिवीजन निकाल देना. डिवीजन निकाल दिया तो कैसे निकालना, अब तक I said no, put first multiplication sign, this fraction becomes reversed. 6/5, 5/6 6/5 అయిపోతుంది, into 5/4, ये 1/5 ऐसे ही लिख दो. Now till where we have multiplication sign we can cancel them. Okay, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Okay, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Okay children, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6. Okay, now come on, multiply. क्या, what is remaining, 43 into 1 into 3 into 1, 5 into 5 into 4, 1 into 4 minus 1/5. 43 1s are 43, 43 3s are 129 divided by 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100, 100 minus 1/5 children. Now you are going to minus. See, whenever you want to do addition subtraction you should have denominator same. यहाँ पर denominator same नहीं है तो क्या करना फिर, again we have to take LCM. Again you have to take LCM. Take LCM of 5 and 100. Okay, 5, 100. 5 table में 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0. again 2 table में 1 10, again 2 table 1 5, again 5 1 1. LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 25s are 100. Okay children, now 129 by 100. 100 टेबल में 100 का बता 1 into 1 minus 1 by 5 टेबल में 100 का बता 520 is a 100. Okay, now 129 minus 20 by 100. What you are going to get? 109 by 100. This is your answer. Come on, copy. Okay, did you all follow this? Now again I am going to explain you. Yes children, I will explain you more too. Okay, first one I will explain you children, A1. Shall I explain you A1? You do B for homework children. I will explain A1. You do B for homework. Yes. Now B1. A1 children. What is A1? 4 by 5 of 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 children. Okay. First what you are going to remove? Brackets. B means brackets. 4 by 5 of 4 by 9 and here again take LCM of First take LCM of 9 and 3. So LCM of 9 and 3 is 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. LCM is equal to 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. So what you are going to do? 4 by 9 into 1 plus 2 by 3 triple 9 plus 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now what you are going to get? 4 plus 6 by 9. That is 10 by 9. Brackets cheste enta ochindi? 10 by 9. Now we are going to write that. 4 by 5 of 10 by 9 divided by 2 2 by 3. 2 2 by 3, what will come? 2 3s are 6, 7, 8. So 4 by 5 of ante multiplication. 10 by 9 डिवीजन निकाल दिए तो क्या ना, पहले इंटू डाल लेके ये रिवर्स करना. क्या था ये? Here it is in a rough column children. 2 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Yes, I'll write one more step. Divided by 8 by 3. Okay, now 4 by 5 into 10 by 9. Put into and write this reversed. 3 by 8. Now cut. Because whenever you have multiplication signs, you can cancel the numerator and denominator. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Now what is remaining? 1 into 1 by 1 into 3 into 1. That is equal to 1 by 3 over. This is the answer. Followed? You do B as homework children. Okay? Now I am going to explain you decimals children today. Chapter 9 decimals. I am going to give you introduction for decimals. Okay? Yes, page number BODMAS is finished. Now we are going to enter into decimals. Chapter 9 decimals. Yes, what is decimals children? What are decimals? Do you know decimals? Decimal fractions are special fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000. Okay, decimals are fractions or numbers expressed in decimal form. Okay, we can express decimals in fractions form as well as decimal form or else decimal form. Yes, the place value of a whole number, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. But as we move on to the right of ones place, we have the decimals. Okay, see children, whenever they give you number 1, 2, 3, 4 point 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 8 like this. So each side is same. Whatever place values we have, decimal tarvata place values first we corrected. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It is like this only. But whereas to the point, left side of the point, yes, to the right side of the point, whereas to the right side, ఈ పాయింట్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్ అనుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ 10, ఇక్కడ 100, దిస్ ఇస్ 1000 అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ 10,000. ఓకే, సి ఇది 1000 ప్లస్ 200 ప్లస్ 30 ప్లస్ 4. Yes, we'll write the expanded form like this. But what about this? This is plus 2 by 2 is in tens place. 2 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 4 by 1000 plus 8 by 10,000. Like this. So on we are going to get. Atla. Once undadu indulo. 10th, 100, 1000. Yes children, today what will you do in your classwork? Open your classwork. After you do BODMAS sums, you are going to write all this page. Till this. Only till here children. Till 1000. From here till here. Okay? Yes. Now I am going to explain you. Yes, decimals లలో వన్స్ టెన్స్ కదా. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటాం, ఇది 1000th. కానీ ఇక్కడ we'll write it as 2/10th. 2/10th. TENTHS 2/10ths. 3000th. THOUSANDTHS. Like this you are going to write. THS వస్తాయి వీటికి. ఓకేనా? Yes. Now you see, go to page number 67 children. Page number 67. Yes, this part is known as a whole number part and this is known as a decimal part. This is whole number part and this is decimal part children. Okay? Decimal ki mundu unnadi whole number part. Decimal tarvata vachetivi whole number, decimal part. Okay? Now go to page number 67. Page number 67. Page 67 children. First bit, write in the expanded form. So what is the A1? 48. I'll say 2. You are going to write 2 as homework children. 48.31. How you are going to write it in expanded form? Solution 48.31. So ones, tens. ఇక్కడ వన్స్ ఉండదు, డెసిమల్ ని 1 అనుకోవాలి. 10, 100. ఓకే, 40 plus 8 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Okay, like this you are going to write. So how they wrote? 1 minute children. Yes, 1 minute. So they multiplied and wrote 44 into 10 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Like this they asked you to write. See, I'll show C1. C1 I'll show you all. You see, 5630.125. Okay children, 5630.125. How you are going to write this? Solution 5630.125. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And what about this? 10th, 100th, 1000th. So how you are going to write? 5 into 1000. 5 is in thousands place. Plus 6 is in hundreds place. 6 into 100. Plus 3 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 by 10th plus 2 by 100th plus 5 by 1000. అర్థమైందా? Other two you do as homework, children. Yes, other two you do as homework. Now they gave you expanded form in the B bit, second bit, and you are going to write it in the small form. Okay? See, here also I will say 2 sums, more 2 of a homework. Okay, children? See, A1, 3 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6. 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. So, 1000, 100, 10. This is 1 means nothing. So, what you are going to write first? 6, 5, 2, 3.325. Over. Okay, like this you are going to write. B, C are for homework. I am saying, no, shall I say? See, I will say C1, children. C1 లో 1's place లేదు కాబట్టి C1 చెప్తున్నా. 5 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 6 by 10 plus 7 by 1000. Like this they gave you, like this. So, 10, 100, 10. 10 తర్వాత ఏముండాలి? 1. 1's place లేదు. So, what you are going to write? This is the answer, children. What you are going to write? 5, 100s, 10s. 3. 1's place is not there. 0. 0.6. Here also 100 is not there. 10 తర్వాత 100 ఉండాలి. 100 లేదు. 0. 7. Okay? See, B1 also, it does not have 10's place and 100's place. See, B1 I am showing you here. B1, 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 3 plus 5 by 1000. 5 by 100. Okay? What you are going to write? Solution. 1 into 1000. Sorry. 1000. 1. 200. 2. 10's place is not there. 1's place is not there. Point. See, 1's place we have, children. See, 3 undi kada? Plus 3 point. 1's place is not there. 10th is not there. 100. Come on, write this. Yes? Followed? 1 is remaining in this D1. Shall I say off that also? Yes, I'll say that also for you all. 8 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Okay, children? Solution. What you are going to have? You have 1000's place, 100's place, 10's place, 1's place is not there. 0.254. Over. Yes, children. Now here I will say, come on, copy it in the term book itself, children. Write down in the term book itself. Write this in your term book itself, children. 25.852. Yes, just now I explained you which is a whole part and the whole number is equal to 25. Now 852 is equal to decimal part. Decimal part is equal to 852, children. Decimal part 852. Like this you have to write. The first part is point before number emo whole number. Point tarvatadi decimal part. Atla annitiki rayandi. Okay, now fourth bit, write the place value of the underlined digit. This is third bit, children. Fourth bit, A1, 375.013. What is the underline? The underline is 7. What is the place value of 7, children? Ones, tens, hundreds. Is it tenth, hundred, thousandth? So 7 is in tens place. Like this you are going to write. B1 is 2.005. 5 they have underlined you. Yes, I am going to say only 3 sums. Other 3 you are going to write by yourself. Ones ikkada tenth, hundredth, thousands. 5 is in which part? Thousandth. Thousandth you have to write. THS. Thousands place. Like this you are going to write, children. Shall I say one more? E1. 176.005. 6 is underlined. 6 is in ones place. 6 is in ones place. That's all. More 3 you write for homework. Okay, children, complete all the homework which I have given you all. Yes? Thank you.